Right, welcome to the Kandao Qoocam 3 Ultra. It's going to be the unboxing and short tests. So right now I've got the dynamic range mode on. Let me give you a little look. And that's recording with the dynamic range, so you get beautiful highlights, beautiful lowlights. And I'm recording 10-bit. It does 8-bit, very little point apart from file size, but this isn't going to be the main big review. This is going to be the unboxing, a quick guide, and just check out some of the awesome shots that I've captured on my trip here in Australia. And a quick shout out to Ian at Flow Monkey Coffee, who lent me the board. Hey. How's it going? The Kandao Qoocam 3 Ultra has arrived, and they've also sent me the 1200 120 centimeter 1200 millimeter selfie stick. This has been sent to review. It is absolutely brand new, still sealed. I'm very excited because I'm disappointed with the X4. It's just not performing how I'd like it to. So we're going to get this unboxed. It's 8K. It's got a faster aperture than the X4. It's got 10-bit color profile and spatial audio and GPS. Oh, it's all written on the side here as well. 96 megapixel photo, 120 frames in 4K, in 360 slow-mo. That's pretty cool. Waterproof spatial audio, I've already said that. 8K 30 frames. So let's get it unboxed. There's going to be a lot of content as I explore and learn as I go with this, and thanks to Kandao. Let's unbox. And here we go. I would use the X4 as a second camera, but it's rubbish in low light. It's going to be a bit of a puzzle. Oh, there we go. Ah, it's better than Insta. Oh, lovely. Okay, app. We get a battery, we get a case, manual, and a cable. Here it is. It's got a bit of heft. Let's unwrap this and then do a little bit of slow-mo. Well, just got back and we've tested the Qoocam 3. We're just going to call it the camera from now on. I did it in a miserable day, very similar to today, out on the water with it connected directly to my paddleboard, so I wasn't using the selfie stick. However, I've had a quick look at the footage already and I'm incredibly impressed. What you're looking at now is through the S24 Ultra. I forgot to put a memory card in. Okay, one job, eh? So I popped it in its nice little case, put it in my pocket and went paddleboarding. Now I forgot to put a memory card in. You get about 98 gigabyte of storage built in. Okay, brilliant. There's never been, there's been one shoot where I've shot about 140 gig in a day, and that was literally a wedding, and it had 3 batteries for that. It's a lot, even at 8K. So built-in storage, love it. Another thing to talk about is the stabilization. I'm going to hook this camera up and then we're going to talk about the camera in a little bit more detail. But spoiler, it was pretty damn good. Right, let's swap over. Right, here we go with the actual test. It's been a long time coming, this, but I'm excited. This is with the HDR off. You lose 2 stops. Basically, it doesn't work as well in low light with HDR on. This is with it off. Now, this is an example of how it is in sort of average light. Got a bit of sun there, now we're back in the shade. And my experience with this camera so far have been incredibly positive. The audio's good through it. We're using the audio through it now, and it could be a bit echoey with these walls. But I'm going to look at a little bit of footage now. Hello, pigeon. Of Melbourne. Sorry, Adelaide. Let's go away from the noisy noise. From Adelaide Royal Botanical Gardens, and you can see the highlights and the lowlights and how it actually interacts with those 2 dynamic changes. So the footage we're looking at now is the Royal Botanical Gardens HDR off, and as you can see, it handles it really well, and even the sun glare, the flare from the sun, it just handles it. And I'm going to give you another example now. The sun's right up there, and it's just doing really well. 8K, 30. I'm just impressed. I've got a ton of footage to get through, and this video is just going to be a nice short guide. Check out all the links down below because there will be a Black Friday things coming up, and thank you to Kandao for sending this to me. It's taken a while because the UK was cold, wet, grey and rubbish as it is now, and it's 0 degrees there and not rubbing it in. It's 30 here. It's 10 to 10 in the morning. So, more content of this coming up. We've had a basic overview and an unboxing, but there's going to be in-depth looks, how the menus work, the settings I use, and you know what I've found to just work with this camera. Right, you guys take care, and we'll catch you for the next one.